Hi, I am Hazeena. I am from Chennai. I completed my BE degree in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering in 2023. After completing my engineering, I searched for jobs and I get to know about Evision Technosub. In Evision, I had joined 60 days of internship program, and after completing my internship program, I got placed in HCL. In Evision, I got real-time work experience and exposure to the technologies like CCNA, networking, Windows administration, cyber security, network security. I have learned all these technologies not only theoretically but also practically. After learning these technologies, I got pretty confidence. I assure that I will be proved as a skilled and dedicated employee in the company. I got this offer after joining the internship program of the Evision Technosub, and the faculty members are very supportive. So I thank Evision for this. Thank you, Evision.